Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to get your birth certificate apostilled. Each state has an authentication department to authorize your document. In this video, I have shown how to get apostille from state of Virginia and Ohio as an example. Same applies to all the state. Go to the authentication portal of your state. This is the authentication portal for Virginia. To get your birth certificate apostilled, it has to be issued from the Department of Health Vital Record Division and the date must be within past 12 months. When you scroll down, you will see a cover letter. You have to download the cover letter first. It can be either a PDF or a Word format. So once you download the cover letter, you have to start filling the form. You have to provide the destination country to which you are going to submit this authentication request, that is apostilled certificate, and number of documents you are requesting or submitting to get apostilled, name of the requester. If you are requesting for a minor document, either of a parent can write their name in this, and requester's address. You have to complete this cover letter. The fee of authentication request is $10 per form, and for additional documents it is $5. It might change depending upon the state, so make sure you check the cover letter or the particular state's authentication portal to find the exact amount of the fee. So once you finish the cover letter, you have to prepare the envelope to send it to the authentication department. You have to attach this cover letter, your original birth certificate which needs to be apostilled, the fee amount in the form of money order or a check, and then one self-addressed envelope if you are going to send your document through mail, or if you are going to do a walk-in, you can skip the self-addressed envelope. These are clearly mentioned in the mail-in instruction. Please go through this before you send your envelope. This is the address to which you have to mail your envelope. So if you are going to do walk-in, you can call the office and check whether the walk-ins are allowed in this situation, and then you can do a walk-in. Otherwise, you can mail your documents. Usually the turnaround time is 1 week. Once you are done preparing all the documents, you can mail the documents to the appropriate authentication department. The address is always mentioned in the portal, or you can check the cover letter for the particular address. This is the example for how to get birth certificate apostilled in state of Virginia. Next, I will show how to do it in the state of Ohio. This is the authentication portal for the state of Ohio. Once you are inside the portal, click on the submission information. Now download the cover letter. This is the cover letter for authentication request for the state of Ohio. So as you can see, the fee for authentication is $5 per document. So it might change depending upon the state. As usual, you have to complete this application. Once you complete this application, you have to mail your documents to the appropriate authentication department. You have to submit the cover letter plus your original birth certificate, money order or check, and a written envelope. Apostille of birth certificate can be only done from the particular state where the birth certificate is issued. It cannot be done with the different state. I'll try to provide the link in the description for the authentication portal of respective states below. So this is the apostilled certificate from the state of Virginia. You should get a similar certificate from all other states as well. There is one more method to apply for apostille. Go to travel.state.gov, click on Record and Authentication tab. When you scroll down, you will find Authenticate your document link. In that, you have to click Request Authentication Service. You will find 3 methods to request. One is by mail, by appointment, or you can drop off your documents. When you click by mail, you will find a form there, DS4194 form. Download the form and complete this form. This is similar to the apostille cover letter, you have to provide all your information and your mailing address and document details for which you need apostille and the country for which you are going to use your apostille document. Once you complete this form, when you scroll down, you will find the fee details. So in this it is mentioned you have to pay your fees through money order, cashier check or a personal check. It is $8 per document, not per page. So once you complete this application, you have to attach your supporting document, that is your original birth certificate and a money order or a cashier check and a self-addressed envelope and mail it to the address mentioned in the screen. Don't forget to send a self-addressed envelope. If you are in an emergency, you can take an appointment and do a walk-in. You have to provide the documentation of emergency and a proof of international travel if you take an appointment. And no need to provide the self-addressed envelope. And also you can opt for drop off and pick up. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section below. Thank you.